because you want to unlock the door of success. How do you unlock the door of success if you do not have a key? Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vimati Queen, Vimatiqueen, and you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are standing on business. First of all, I'm going to say a happy new year to every single one of you guys watching me, and I hope we all have a prosperous year by God's grace. Amen. So first of all, if you know that you're not interested in making money and whatever it is you are ready to do does not involve money, then you can just scroll away. But if you know that you want to learn something very vital, very valuable, something that can make you in 2025, please stick around. And please note that not all of the things that I'm going to be stating in this video, is something that you have to do or you have to go through it. It's just my advice and something that I've done that has worked for me, and you can also try to. Okay, this year was starting really strong. I am starting strong this year, and there's a lot of things that is in my heart that I'm just going to be telling you guys this year. There's a lot of videos that are going to be coming out this year that is going to be saying a whole lot. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you guys how I made my first million on social media. I actually made my first million doing a couple of business on social media with zero capital. When I say zero capital, I mean zero capital. All right, so first of all, I want to let you guys know that it's very important to take your life serious in 2025. 2025, we're standing on business. If you know that you're going to be slacking or you're going to not know what you want to do, then this video is not for you. All right, but if you know that you want to make money and you want to excel, then the universe definitely brought this video to you. All right, and yes, now I'm not saying the first million I made was this year or last year, but when I made my first million naira, I want to tell you guys how I made it. I feel like this is a very good topic to start 2025 with, because I want to be dishing out content that are very, very valuable, something that can help you, something that can benefit you this year. All right, so social media is so powerful that a lot of you just use it to play. A lot of you guys just use it for entertainment and just waste your data, and it's just playing. But I need to let you know that you can actually make good money on social media. In fact, there is money on social media, and if you're not tapping into this, then you definitely do not know the way. You definitely do not know what to do. You definitely are not informed, and whatever you do in 2025, make sure that information you are getting it, make sure that you are informed, because information is key to a lot of things. So you want to make sure that you have the key, because you want to unlock the door of success. How do you unlock the door of success if you do not have a key? And that key is very simple: information. Do not just be scrolling on social media, just playing around, looking at funny skits and all of that, and looking at funny things and joke around. Make sure that you are getting valuable information. You are spending money on data. Make sure that the information you are getting is valuable. With that being said, let us jump right in. All right, I made my first million naira by learning and training. Now, I am from Nigeria. I learned a lot of things. In fact, I had them handy. That's why I said with zero capital. Let me just give you a background check, because I'm going somewhere. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. So I learned how to make HD frontals, how to revamp wigs, and how to make closures. That is one skill. Another skill is how to import human hair blends from China, from AliExpress, from any of these apps. I had full knowledge of that. I learned how to fix nails, so I could make pretty press-on nails, pretty press-on nails, acrylic, normal nails. I could make press-on nails. I learned how to make body enhancement products. So I could make body enhancement products if you want to get like a bigger butt, a bigger boobs, anything like that. I learned how to make it. So there are things that I already have information about it, which I said earlier that information is key. I think one other thing that I learned how to do was how to do makeup. I also learned how to do makeup, like a very simple makeup like this. I also learned that. So I learned like 5 to 6 to 7 different things. And that particular year when I made my first million, I was extremely broke. But I know I had a phone, I had data, and I had access to some few apps and all of that. So I started training. Now, what I did was draft a course, a very detailed course on everything that I knew how to. I made a video of how to start making press-on nails from the beginning till the end, the tools you need, contacts you need to get press-on nails, the things you're going to need. I drafted a course on it and uploaded it to a Telegram channel. So I created a Telegram channel for it and I titled it Press-on Nails. I created another course on how to get body enhancement products, how to make butt and hip enlargement oils, how to make boobs enlargement powder, how to make hips enlargement oils, how to make weight gain powder, how to make all those things. I drafted it in a course showing detailed step-by-step video on how to make these things. So in essence, I made a couple of videos of all the things I knew how to do. Then also I mentioned earlier that I also knew how to make closures and frontals. So I made a video step by step how to make closure, how to make frontals. I had suppliers contacts and all of that. I added it into a class and I created channels on Telegram to this. So you know, when you want to do trainings, this one, it's not stressful. All you need to do is create all of them in a Telegram channel already. You create a channel for each and every of these courses. So I mentioned that I had like 7 different courses already, how to make with videos, not just write-ups, proper videos on the making processes, then very important information like suppliers contacts and all of that. The trick is, how are you going to get customers, right? Very important question. How do you get customers to buy these classes? How do you get customers to be interested, you know, in spending money on each and every one of these classes? Now here is the trick. I created a page on social media. It's called Gatekeep by Vimati Trainings, and I did an advert on each of those courses. So I had this advert clean. I don't know, I might be able to play one of those adverts on the screen so that you can see what I'm saying. So I'll continue the video. Hello guys, this is the CEO of B Trainings. Do you know you can make up to $1 million a month from making and selling closures, frontals and full lace wigs? Have you ever wondered how closures and frontals were made? Well, most of them are handmade. Yes, handmade. And with the constant rise of dollars, closures and frontals are really expensive. So why not make it yourself or make thousands of naira making and selling them? Yes, you can go into closure making as a full-time business because it is in high demand. Or if you already import and sell hairs, just make the closures yourself. In this class, I will be teaching you the different types of closures, frontals, full lace wig, different techniques, and how to ventilate. Kindly read the training outline below and send us a DM to register. Guess what, guys? You will be getting a bonus ads class on how to promote your business and get clients. See you in class. Do you know that hair business is one of the most lucrative business in Nigeria? Do you know that with as low as 100,000 naira you can start the hair importation business, buy different hair at the rate of 5,000 naira from China and sell for the rate of 15,000, 20,000 or even higher? 80% of hair vendors in Nigeria actually sell hair blends, and these hair blends can pass for human hair because it actually contains original human hair content in them. In this training, I will be teaching teaching you how to get hairs at very affordable price and make return on investment, where all your popular vendors get their hair from, contacts of sellers. Do you know that you don't even need to have a shop to start hair importation business? Because I will be teaching you how to run effective ads and promote your hair and make returns, make good sales as a bonus class. You don't want to miss this class. Hurry up and grab this opportunity, and see you in class. Now hold on, stay with me. Now in this advert video, right, I took the video, I put it on my social media. Everything I'm saying here, I did it on Instagram. Now you can choose to do it on any other social media platform of your choice. So I did mine on Instagram. So I opened an Instagram page, paste the videos, and ran ads. Now I ran ads on them. Now I made the cost very cheap. It wasn't that expensive. I think some of them were 5k, some of them were 3k, some of them were for 10,000, some of them were for 20,000. I had one of 40,000, depending, so I ran adverts, and guys, you would not believe that people started trooping in and paying for the class. So all I just did was, I had already done the work. I already have the videos in a Telegram channel. Whenever they're interested and they make payments, I just add them to the group. So I keep just adding them to different types of group, depending on what classes they were interested in learning. And guys, that was how I made my first million using social media. Now there are other ways that I used that I made, or that that was how I made my first million though. But ever since then, I've made money, and I could tell you what businesses I did or what other things I did to be able to achieve that. Maybe in subsequent video, if I'm feeling like this, I might spill. But this one is very easy. So if there's a skill, now this is the advice, this is the catch. If there's a skill you know how to do, a lot of you like hoarding skills, you like hoarding information, you're hoarding it. Whether you hoard it or not, people know it and people will find it. So why don't you give it to them and make money giving it to them? All right. So if there's a skill you know how to do very well, like you can make press-on nails very well, you know how to import something very well, or you can revamp hairs, you can anything, that is a skill that that people make money from this skill, and you are willing to share, you can share such information like that. You can make money while sharing information. I have a friend, yes, I also have a skincare class, how to make black soap, how to make anything. So my sister has a skincare brand and she makes skincare. In the start, she doesn't do classes because she was always hoarding her information. She's always trying to keep her ingredient to herself. She's hiding the secrets and all of that. She didn't want to spill. And I told her, girl, teach people this thing. Teach people. It doesn't stop you from making money from your business. It doesn't reduce your worth. It doesn't reduce anything from you. And you're going to get more money teaching people. And then she started her first class. I think her first class was for 200k. And 200k, I think she had like 30 people join. Now do your calculation, 200k times 30 people. At the end of her advert, because she ran the advert for like a month and she gathered them, she said something like the course was going to start, like in April, and she had already started running advert from February. And before April, she got 30 people slots for the class. And I know other people that does this thing for hire, like fashion designers. They train people. Some of them collect as much as $1 million. Imagine how much Vicky James collects, to train you for a class or something. Now that's a big deal. That's a big side of it. But I'm saying on a very much lighter note, without having a big brand or anything, you just have information with you. You know something. You know how to do something. Do the work. Make it into a video. Have a Telegram channel for it. Then go ahead, make very beautiful adverts, then run adverts on Facebook. You can run adverts on Facebook, you can run adverts on Instagram, and just link the advert to your DM. All right, so if you want me to teach you how to run adverts that can convert, how to run adverts that can convert, how to target your audience and all of that, I might do that in subsequent video. But you run adverts, then you get the customers, then you start making cool cash. Come from the comfort of your home. The only thing you might have to do is answer questions. Probably anybody have questions they can ask. Aside that, you don't have to do any work. You just relax. All the courses outline, the videos is already in the page, just for your clients to enter the page, and they are bombarded with lots of information, videos, contacts, you know, whatnot that they need to excel in that business. You already have it. And that was how I made my first million, guys. And I hope this was very helpful to someone. I hope this information, you know, is going to be used by one of you. And I hope, like I said earlier, there's a lot of people that a millionaire, it's little, it's just small thing, it's nothing to them. That's fine. But for my girlies that you've not made up to a million yet, this is the easiest way to make a million without doing too much. That information that you have in your head, make it into a course. Have a Telegram account, very important, Telegram account. And then there are some rules and regulations that you can do to it. There's too many things that I can teach you that you might need to pay for me to teach you, probably how to run the advert, how to do a lot of things. If you are willing to learn, you can state that in the comment section. Or if there's any of these courses that I've mentioned that you're interested in learning, you can also state that in the comment section so that I can share. And aside that, please do well to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Kindly do well to subscribe. And I hope this year 2025 we are getting things right. We know what we are doing, and we are serious with our lives. Take your life serious this 2025. No dulling, no playing, no slacking. That is the motto. Take it very, very, very seriously. And I'll see you guys in my next video. In my next video, I'll probably be talking about mindset shifts and how to have the mindset of a boss. All right, and how to deal with spiritual warfare, because some of you guys even have all the informations, but you are dealing with spiritual things, spiritual problems, spiritual warfare. There's something bothering you, there's something supernatural fighting your destiny. I'm going to be spilling all of those things and how to avoid them and things to do to take you out of those kind of situations. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.